Hello everyone, welcome to my shorthand dictation class. Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, go. It is thus submitted that in view of the huge number of petitioners' lack of any documentary proof of their having worked continuously and the meager parcel handling earnings, their regularization by the railways is financially not viable. It is further submitted that due to the government policy of downsizing the staff cadre, the railways is coming with the many schemes of awarding contracts to private parties to implement the fifth pay commission recommendations. Thus, the absorption of such a huge workforce of class 4 employees without adequate amount of work will result in a financial crunch. The learned additional Solicitor General drew our attention to the additional affidavit of respondent numbers 1 to 7 and the statements made thereunder, and therefore there is no option but to rationalize the entire operation with regard to the parcel handling business. The learned additional Solicitor General would further contend that in order to improve services, the railways introduced the concept of leasing the space in the luggage compartment of the front luggage coach of some of the passengers carrying trains in November 2000. However, a comprehensive policy was introduced in the year 2000 in order to attract parcel traffic through the leasing route, and as per the master circular, SLR space in the front SLR was permitted for leasing for all types of trains, and SLR space in over 200 trains is being leased out to provide operators where the loading and unloading is also done by them. The process of leasing envisages running of high-speed timetabled parcel trains, and two such weekly trains are already being operated and more are likely to be introduced in future. It is further submitted that the steps taken by the Indian Railways to encourage handling of parcel by private parties has helped in increasing the railway earnings, and as a result thereof the earning from parcel traffic has increased, which according to the learned additional Solicitor General is proof of the fact that the senders and receivers of parcel prefer handling through their own agency. Para. With a view to make the parcel service vibrant business along with better service to its customers, the government has accepted that recommendation of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Railways presented in Lok Sabha in April 2001. He would further state that the Government of India's plan of right-sizing the workforce has been acted upon by the railways.